Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sai Dental Vlogs and I'm back with another video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. I make videos on dentistry, dental related topics, and I am Associate Professor in Oral Medicine in Bhubaneswar Institute of Dental Sciences. So today's video is very important. It's very important because today I am going to talk about a magic instrument. Okay, before that I'll tell you some things. Suppose a patient comes to your clinic and you are about to extract a tooth. You are very happy that you are going to get some amount of profit from it, and the patient is also going to get profit by getting relief of his pain. Lekin suddenly the crown breaks off from the cervical end and you didn't notice there was a cervical caries there, and you were about to extract a third molar. Now what you will do? So suddenly a thought comes in your mind, let's call the oral surgeon. But why can't you do it yourself? आप खुद भी उस टाइप का टूथ कर सकते हैं. काफ़ी बार हम पेशेंट को ये बोल के छोड़ देते कि मेडिसिन खा के आइए, टेक द मेडिसिन एंड कम बैक, बिकॉज वी हैव फियर इन अवर माइंड्स कि द टूथ मे ब्रेक एंड like this we'll lose many patients. So how to remove these kind of teeth using this magic instrument? So today we are going to talk about an elevator, Coupland's elevator, how to use it in different type of cases. I have made few diagrams. I hope this video will really it will really help you in your dental clinics and in hospitals to remove different kind of tooth. So we are going to talk about this instrument. This is GDC ka Coupland elevator. So slightly it is curved. Okay, it comes in various sizes, size 1, 2, 3, and this is basically a GDC instrument. Okay, so basically why we need this? We need this to remove broken teeth, third molars, upper third molars. Okay, some teeth where root canal treatment has been done and patient has not put the crown and there is a fracture of the crown, those teeth. So today I will tell you how to remove those kind of teeth, broken tooth, all those things, everything. Okay, so सबसे पहले थोड़ा हिल गया मेरा gimbal. So सबसे पहले one by one I will show you the diagram. So along with this Coupland you need few other instruments which will really help you to do the extractions. Okay, so basically I have taken four conditions. फर्स्ट इज आप रिमूव कर रहे हैं दांत, सडनली दांत टूट जाता है सर्वाइकल एंड से, देन यू सी ओके इट्स अ रूट कैनाल ट्रीटेड टूथ, दैट केस. दूसरा केस मीजो एंगुलर इम्पैक्शन. थर्ड केस आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू नॉर्मल थर्ड मोलर एक्सट्रैक्शन which is little bit distal angular impacted or vertically impacted. Then fourth one, the upper third molars. There is also good technique in that. So now you can see here, this is a rough diagram. Okay, this is a RCT treated tooth. Everybody can see this. ठीक है, कैमरा किधर गया? Yes, this is a RCT treated tooth and it has broken from this side. Now what I have drawn here, it's an air rotor and there's a burr which is fixed here. The burr is rotating like this. Okay, now you can see how you have to do it. So whenever the tooth breaks, you have to remove the flap very nicely. If you don't remove the flap, you will not get access. Access मतलब कि आपको एरिया दिखना चाहिए जहाँ पे आप वो टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. तो मेन थिंग ऑफ टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन का मेन फंडा क्या है पता है? मेन यू हैव टू मेक द एरिया वेर यू आर डूइंग द टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन, यू हैव टू मेक इट ब्लड फ्री. हमेशा गॉज रखिए, उस एरिया को अच्छे से क्लीन करके रखिए, और जब आप काम कर रहे होते हैं ना पेशेंट का, एक गॉज पीस या फिर छोटा कॉटन पीस मुंह के अंदर रखिए एंड ऑलवेज जस्ट उस गॉज पीस से उस ब्लड को साफ करके कोने में उसको पुश कर दीजिए. मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक द गॉज पीस एंड यू हैव टू पुश दैट एरिया with your elevator, whatever you are using, then wipe the cotton and put the gauze piece in the oral cavity only. So this is the condition where you need to, how you will use the Coupland in this case. What if you are putting the Coupland mesial to the broken tooth, so you will not get the proper force with which you will extract this tooth. Plus the crown has already broken. So what you need to do is, you take any burr, new burr, you can use a straight hand piece micromotor wala straight hand piece. Then if you are using a straight hand piece, you use a 502 number bar, or if you are using a air rotor also so you can use a TF12 bar, जो tungsten twister 12 bar or TR12 bar you can use. Then you can cut the roots from the furcation level. मतलब यहाँ से आप will cut it from here. Can you see this? After cutting this, you apply the Coupland in between that and slightly try to luxate. Okay, so it has to be used in anti-clockwise motion always. Coupland का rule ये होता है anti-clockwise. So once you do it, what happens? Though you see the tooth has started moving. Now there are two things in this. Suppose if this is a tooth with root canal and suppose this is a tooth without root canal. What is the difference? In a root canal tooth, the tooth will be very brittle. So in those cases, you have to use the Coupland a little bit deeper. Okay, because the Coupland grip is very thick. Okay, so it produces a lot of force over the tooth. So if it is not a root canal tooth, अगर root canal नहीं किया हुआ है दांत में, क्या होता है? हम easily Coupland यूज कर सकते हैं, because the tooth is hydrated and वो ब्रेक नहीं करेगा. तो आप एक पुश करेंगे तो टूथ का जो रूट है वो थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाएगा, और एक रूट ऊपर आ गया तो दूसरा रूट भी आराम से निकल जाता है. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? बट इफ यू आर यूजिंग अ Coupland on the root canal treated tooth, तो already up when you give the force, tooth will break. So in those cases, you can use the Coupland very deeper, or if your Coupland is not going deeper, or if the area is inaccessible, you can use a Warwick James curved elevator. ठीक है, curved Warwick James. It's like a hook type of elevator. Now we'll move on to a second case. You are going to remove this third molar. Many people who are fresh pass out, they will say, अरे यार ये कैसे निकालेंगे? Surgeon को बुलाना पड़ेगा. We have to call a surgeon. Already surgeons may be busy. The time you are going to extract it, surgeon may not be present. The patient may be very poor, he won't be able to afford the surgeon fees. Then what you will do? You have to do at some point of time now. So what you will do here is, you can, so this is the bone level I have drawn. This is the third molar. So now you have to do is, with the same, this burr you have to use. So I'll just tell you, while doing the third molars, never use a air rotor. Okay. So straight elevator along with the 502 burr, you have to split the tooth like this. So this portion of the crown will come out, whatever is there inside. It will be, which is causing the lock here. Since it is locked, it's not coming out, right? So this lock portion you have to remove. Okay. Now next, after removing the lock portion, you have to cut the buccal bone. See, बोलना बहुत easy है, करना उतना ही मुश्किल. तो जब तक आप practice नहीं करेंगे, आपसे नहीं होगा. So you have to do it with confidence, and you need to have one more assistant with you, who will help you to do to give all the instruments. Okay. So you have to practice. Slowly start with simple cases, then go into the difficult cases. Okay. I'm not telling you to do it right away, this thing, but you can try this thing also. This I'll tell after this. So this thing, when you are going to remove it, this tooth, suction the tooth, the lock portion will come out, and after that you remove the buccal bone, and in the furcation area you try to remove this, luxate the tooth with this Coupland elevator. Slowly it will start moving. You have to see where you are giving the force. If you do it blindly, निकलेगा ही नहीं दांत कभी, खून हो जाएगा पूरा, will get irritated, patient will get irritated. So give block also very nicely. That is also very important. ठीक है, patient should not get discomfort. Till the anesthesia doesn't happen, don't do the treatment. Okay, even if the patient has to wait for half an hour. Okay. So this is the condition, and you have to try to just see where the tooth is actually. वो बहुत important है. कहाँ दांत है देखो अच्छे से. Roots कहाँ पे है, crown कहाँ है, bone कहाँ है. एक बार दिख गया तो आपको mind में automatically the idea will come how to remove it. Right. Now the second last situation, which comes normal vertical impaction. Don't just remove the flap. Flap elevate करिए. Flap के बहुत सारे YouTube videos हैं how to do a flap of third molar. Okay. तो वो मैं नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मैं डायरेक्ट आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ये जो एरिया है ना, this is the buccal bone. Make a trough with a 502 burr or 503 burr. Trough मतलब एक cavity ऐसे बनाइए. Trough मतलब पता है ना. Then what you do is, you on the trough, you just apply the Coupland elevator, the same clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. You can see there is some movement in the tooth. and also you apply the mesial to the 8. This area में you have to apply the Coupland, this area, okay, and slowly try to luxate. It will take time initially, then धीरे धीरे देखना अब दांत निकल जाएगा, तो इससे आपको काफी फायदा होगा, okay. And what is the amount of force which you have to use? You have to use very medium force. Now see, in Instagram my ID is sai_dental. Yesterday only I have done 2 cases, so I thought why not to make a video on that. So अगर आप जाके Instagram में देखेंगे, मैंने वो दोनों दांत निकाले हैं, एक अपर थर्ड मोलर था और एक लोअर 7 था, सेम टेक्निक से निकाला है. If you can see the tooth, you will be able to understand. You see the picture in their story में है, ठीक है. Now the last situation comes, the upper third molar. Many people fall into the trap of removing the upper third molar. What is the fall trap? Sometimes हम upper third molar को ऐसे डायरेक्ट निकालते हैं forceps यूज करके. Never use a forceps. Okay, you can easily remove the third molar by using a Coupland elevator. Okay, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to apply Vaseline on the lips very nicely for the patient so that your Coupland can easily slip. Otherwise, there will be ulceration on the corners of lip, right? Then what you have to do is, you should not try to tell the patient कि open the mouth, then I will remove it. No, patient एक बार open करेगा mouth. Just tell the patient once to open the mouth, elevate the flap, see where the bone is, and you have to hold the Coupland elevator straight. Why I am telling straight? वो straight कैसे होगा जब patient अपना mouth close करेगा. And just put your left index finger, go behind the patient. Put your left index. If it is a 1/8, then you have to go behind the patient. If it is a 2/8, then you have to sit in front of the patient. समझ में आया कि नहीं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? अगर 1/8 है, right side का tooth है, then you have to go behind the patient. And if it is 2/8, then you have to stand in front of the patient. Okay. So go behind the patient for 1/8. Elevator should be like this, straight. अब ये straight elevator ऐसे कैसे जाएगा? ऐसे तो अटक जाएगा ना ऐसे. तो you have to tell the patient to close the mouth so that the lips get stretched like this. Then you can easily access that area. And when you engage your elevator, this thing on the, so this depression part you have to put inside the जो थर्ड मोलर का मीजियल सरफेस है ना वहां पे, तो जस्ट गिव स्लाइट प्रेशर. तो आप जब फिंगर आप देखते हैं, लेफ्ट फिंगर आप उस टूथ के ऊपर रखिए, जब आप स्लाइट प्रेशर देंगे तो वो टूथ हल्का हल्का हिलेगा. देखना आपका जो फिंगर में प्रेशर आएगा, तो उसको एक्चुअली देख के कभी मत करना थर्ड मोलर, आपको फील होगा वो कि वो थर्ड मोलर मूव हो रहा है. तो जिस डायरेक्शन में आप एलिवेट कर रहे हैं उस डायरेक्शन में देखना थोड़ा ज्यादा मूव हो रहा है. देन स्लाइटली ऐसे रोटेट करके देखना एक पॉइंट आएगा, पूरा टूथ मूव करने लगा एंड तब निकल जाएगा दांत आपका. सो ऐसा होता है, लेकिन हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है, लेकिन 90% ऑफ द टाइम्स इस टाइप से हो जाता है. हम ज़्यादा काटाकुटी करना पसंद नहीं है किसी भी पेशेंट को. इनफैक्ट बोलने में और करने में इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड ट्राई फॉर इजी केसेस फर्स्ट. सो वंस यू स्टार्ट extracting from mobile tooth, then go for little bit from grade 1 mobility, then go for normal extraction till 7, then third molar एक बार ट्राई करो. धीरे धीरे करके होगा, एक बार में आपका हैंड एक्सपर्ट नहीं होगा. दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू बट वेरी इजी टू से. ऑलवेज आई से दिस थिंग्स. सो ट्राई करें और आई थिंक आपको ये वीडियो से हेल्प होगी. Do subscribe to this channel and you can join me as a channel member as well. So I have 3 channel memberships: basic, advanced and ultra member. It is very minimum 30 rupees, 60 rupees and 160 rupees for ultra member. I have also put a video of implant placement. If you become my member, you can see that video. And I am going to make another video for implant placement in the upper anterior region. And another video is going to come about the best dental chair, which I feel, according to me, is I'll make a video on that. The whole production, how to make how the chair is being made and why what are the benefits of that chair. So everything I'll make that video. That project is going on. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Do nice extractions.